What is a doubly linked list?
A doubly linked list is a data structure made of nodes. Each node contains data and 2 pointers, one to the next node and one to the previous node. This setup allows you to move easily forward and backward through the list, unlike singly linked lists, which only link forward.
How doubly linked lists differ from singly linked lists.
The key difference is the presence of 2 pointers in each node. Singly linked lists only have 1 pointer per node, pointing forward. Doubly linked lists add a backward pointer, which enables easier two-way traversal and simplifies certain operations, like removing or inserting nodes in the middle of the list.
Advantages of doubly linked lists.
Doubly linked lists offer flexibility for many programming tasks. They allow quick access in both directions, making operations like deletion or insertion more efficient in some cases. There's no need to keep track of the previous node manually, saving coding effort and reducing potential errors.
When should you use them?
Use a doubly linked list when two-way navigation or frequent insertions and deletions are needed. They're ideal in scenarios like navigation systems, undo-redo functionality, and managing large data structures where performance for these operations matters. However, they use more memory due to the extra pointer.
Coding basics, creating a doubly linked list.
In most programming languages, a doubly linked list is built using classes or structs for nodes. Each node stores data, a next pointer, and a previous pointer. To add or remove nodes, simply adjust these pointers. Proper management prevents errors like memory leaks or broken links.